This Crown Automotive rear license plate bracket with lamp is for those of you that have a 2007 to 2018 JK that need to replace your factory license plate holder. This is going to do the exact job of the factory one, look factory, function factory, but it's going to be a little bit cheaper than going directly back to your dealership to get a replacement. Now, Jeep built this in kind of a bad spot if you want to take your Jeep off-road, or even if you just park in a tight parking lot. This is hanging off the side of the Jeep. Oftentimes they get hit, they get cracked, broken. Maybe yours has lasted and it's just faded and you're going over some of the plastic pieces on the outside of your Jeep to give the Jeep a refreshed look. Whatever the reason, this is going to be, again, something that looks, functions, does everything just like a factory license plate holder, but at a lower price. This is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrench installation. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. This is a very fair price for a piece that does exactly what it's supposed to do. As for construction, not a lot to say about this. It's going to be a plastic piece that does look just like the factory piece does. It has the lamp built right into it here, so you have your light. It does have the plug here, so it'll plug right into your factory wiring harness. You don't have to do anything weird there, no splicing, no soldering, nothing like that. And it's just gonna hold your license plate and it's gonna look just like a factory one, but cheaper. This rear license plate holder from Crown comes in at $20. I think that's a very fair price for an option that includes the lamp and the plug. Everything's there for you. There are some other options out there. Maybe they're a little bit less expensive, but they're not going to include the light. This includes everything, does what it's supposed to do, all for just 20 bucks. Now I'll have a member of the install team show you how you get this installed.
First step, we're going to need to remove our license plate. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver for that. That way we can access the license plate bracket. So now we're ready to remove our license plate bracket. You're gonna have 2 screws up here, and you're actually gonna have 2 screws down at the bottom. Since our bracket is broken, we don't have those 2 screws down there. So we're gonna use a 7mm socket to take this off. So after you get those 2 screws out, it's basically going to be free. You just need to pull it away and unplug it from the back side. So to get this off, you need to pry up on this little locking tab. After you do that, you'll be able to slide that off, and that'll allow you to pull that away and then disconnect it. So we're going to push in on that tab there, and then that'll unplug. So before we switch to the new bracket, we're gonna need to take our license plate light housing off. So we're gonna go ahead and just squeeze these 2 tabs on the side. And once we squeeze those together, that'll just pull out of there. Then we're gonna go ahead and twist our light, and then that'll come off. So first step, when we're installing this bracket, we're gonna need to replace this lens on the new light bulb. After that, we can push it back in, click it in place, and then we're ready to install this on the Jeep. So now that we have our light housing in, you're ready to plug this back in and then screw it back onto the vehicle. After you get your 2 top screws in, you're ready to install your lower screws. These are a little bit trickier. So the 4th screw is a little hard to see. It's actually right under here. And if you have an aftermarket bumper, it's a little hard to get to. However, I'm gonna get that last one in and then we'll get our plate back on. So once you have all 4 of your screws in, you're ready to put your license plate back on. So you're just gonna slide this back and under, and then we're gonna go under these back tabs here. we're gonna put our screw back in. So with everything tightened up, that wraps up our review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.